A lot have dropped out of this.
Yeah, I mean, she's in very good... All of these are in good form, bar Javelin, aren't they? Javelin last time out was disappointing. Although prior to that, she'd been in good form herself. So I think all of them are having good seasons. In fact, all of them are winners, aren't they, this calendar year? So it's quite a competitive little race, a tight little race. Harvest Day, last time she ran, she was drawn 15, so in the car park at Beverley. That didn't help her at all, and she actually ran as if she was still in really good form. She's a course and distance winner herself. Polyphony ran really well here at the track last time out. She's still improving. She's not had a lot of racing. Sue Paulette's been very consistent this year. And then you've got the Caustic Love, obviously the 3-year-old that still has that obvious improvement. So it is a tight little race.
You heard earlier on, I'm sure, from David Easterby saying that the mount or the ride that David Evans gave, where's Jeff, in that Cumberland Plate, Nathan, he said it was as good a ride as you'll see. You know, he just timed it all to perfection and followed instructions to the letter. Yeah,
well, he just got him out handy, then was able to take a lead. It was a good ride and managed
20 seconds
pretty
remaining.
Much prime position throughout. So it'd be interesting to see this race tactically, because there isn't an obvious front runner in the field. It could be that Harvest Day, who does stay a little bit
10
further
seconds
than this, ends
remaining.
up going on because of the lack of pace.
That's it. We've talked about pace a lot. We always do when we're at Carlisle. We do everywhere, but Carlisle seems
3,
to do in other
2,
tracks where
1.
they can collapse in front if they go too quickly down the hill and then try to get back up the other side. But here we're not sure where the pace is coming from. Soprylette is a horse very much in form though.
Yeah, placed on all 3 starts since a win earlier on in the season. That was at Thirsk. She's not a filly that does an awful lot in front, so I think that's probably why she gets chinned a couple of times, because if she gets there, she tends to go off a true line a little bit and start to idle in front and leaves herself vulnerable. So David Allen, I'm sure he'll be well aware of that, and he knows the filly well. So she's a strong traveller, but like I say, she's not always that hearty and strong at the finish of her races, so he'll be looking to deliver her very late, I think.
Small field of fillies for this one. John Mackey was out of luck with that Bertog the other day. Don't know what we're going to do with that Bertog project. He's blamed me, I think, for putting a buck on it. It's some horse to follow, isn't it? I'm a loyal one following horses, but even I've fallen out of love with that wretched Bertog.
You've given up on Bertog. Well, Polyphony's that little bit more likeable. She's won 2 of her last 4. She's still improving. I think she's got a very good chance in here.
Okay, this is the British Stallion Studs EBF Fillies Handicap.